Welcome back, everybody. Not quite what I'd call a nice day. It's raining. There's snow up on the big mountains. And according to the forecast, it probably isn't going to stop anytime soon. We're heading up Yr Aran. Let's find a pitch before we're wet to the bone. As you can see, it's very wet. Pretty much a river coming down the path. It's picked up big time, so is the wind. Now, we just need, what we need is a spot to pitch. Out of this weather. Get out of it fast. Picked up. It's pretty cold. Looking out for a spot to pitch now. Anywhere that isn't a swamp will do fine. Real nasty business traversing all of this in the wet. But it's eased up, it's not raining anymore. This'll do. Look at that. Look at that view out there. Beautiful. You know, I'd say pitch there, but it's a little bit slopey there. So this will do nicely. Got the hot water bottle again. So that's good. We've got the tent. The top hood on here, which we can just give it a little bit of a tighten, like so. And let's peg out the guys as well, because we don't want this thing going anywhere in the night. Here it comes, the heavens unleash. Let's get everything in the tent that needs to get in there fast. Luckily, I think we're pretty protected from any... Well, pretty happy with that, honestly. Got it up in... Got the basic structure of it up in 2 minutes, maybe less. Took maybe 5 minutes overall to peg everything out and tighten everything up. But I'm pretty happy with that. It's already getting dark and it's only 20 past 4. Gonna get the sleep system set up. This pump is a lifesaver when it's cold, I'll give it that. Alright, that's the mat. Well, now that we're in the tent, priority number 1 is to get warm and to get dry, so I'm going to do that right now. Alright, let's get the brew on, warm us up a little bit more.
Quite a good spot in this.
Yeah.
Struck lucky with this. Gassy smell. It'll be a long, hard night. There we go.
Well, I'm glad I've got the big tent here because that little bit of extra comfort is extremely nice. It's eased off in terms of the rain. We'll cook dinner in an hour or so maybe. We're just going to chill out in here for a while. It's going to be a long night. We'll tune in if anything changes much. Quite a lot of rain coming down. Been going for about half an hour.
The puzzle.
It's been raining for about 3 hours non-stop. We expect it to keep going all night. think it's safe to say that there's nothing more to be done except try and get some sleep. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. The one good thing I'll say is this tent is performing great. I mean, look at all this. Look at all the space I've got here. Acres, like a palace in here. And the light is very nice to have. Now I'm gonna settle down, maybe watch some stuff, and then head to bed. Alright everybody, we're gonna hit the hay now. We're gonna get our heads down and see if we can get some sleep, even with this rain coming in. It's pretty damn constant as well. It's not easing off at all, so we'll tune in if it changes later. So unless that happens, we'll see you in the morning. Good morning. We're gonna pack up. It's raining. It's been raining all night. It's not stopped at all. We're gonna pack up as much as we can in the tent, and then we'll get out and drop it. I don't think it's gonna ease off for us. Let's just get out of here. He's actually stopped for a second. Okay. Look at that water coming down through there. Alright, we're gonna get the tent down while it's somewhat okay. Yeah. Well, the tent's gone. Leaving no trace. Let's see if we can get back across that river somehow. Honestly, it's not looking too promising. I mean, look at it coming down over there. It's crazy. Fog trucking supreme. It was all solid when we came up. We're now walking through a swamp, pretty much. Yeah. That shows you how much water came down last night. Oh my god. Anyway, I must say, aside from constant rain, very nice camp. Boy oh boy, it's a nice fun. This is actually a river. I was expecting to stop the video, but this is still pretty interesting. Well on our way back down. That's the end of today's video. Thank you very much for watching. See you again next time. Bye bye.